Someone once stated, the more you learn, the more you earn. And that is so true. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to talk about your life. How can you improve it, and what is the lifestyle of some people who are successful, who worked hard in their lifetime, who really worked hard. There are people who just took break when they wanted to sleep, and that breaks were of 5 to 6 hours. There are people who just took break when they wanted to eat, and then those breaks are for 30 to 40 minutes. People do not waste time. Time has a value in our life, and some people, and not some people, most of the people take that time for granted. The time that you are spending in something useless will never ever come back, and that's why you should not take time for granted. Look at the successful people. They are successful because they use their time right. They commit to learn every single day, and they learn something new every single day. Look at the successful people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Warren, Mark, Oprah. Let me tell you one thing. There are people who read books more than 5 hours a day. There are people who complete one book in a week. They are also human beings. You are a human being. You are a human being. They are also a human being. Well, they can read the difference here is they read books. They read books. They read literally. People read books. Warren read books. He is famous for reading books more than 5 hours a day. And then Mark, he is famous for reading books more than 3 hours a day. And Oprah, well, she is just obsessed with books. Notice one common theme here. Successful people never stop learning. They literally commit to learn new things every single day. If you commit to learn new things every single day and started learning new things, you will be successful and you will be at their place someday. And no doubt, there is no doubt in this, that if you start learning every single day, if you start building your own steps to success, then success won't go anywhere. It will come to you. Just look at this. Think about it. The first step to success is the hardest one. Only the first step. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, any steps, all the other steps are easy, are very easy. The first and the most complicated, the hardest and the most complicated one is the first step to success. If you pass that, you are successful. You are a successful human being because you just completed the first step to success. That was the most complicated one. So, as we are talking about successful people, let's think about let's talk about what is their concept, what is their mentality. The thing is that their concept is that you have like $86,400 a day. When the day starts, you receive $86,400. But the thing is that the money will disappear at the end of the day. Wouldn't you try to use all the money? Wouldn't you try to consume it in a place where you really wouldn't you try to buy a thing that you really want? Would you? Right, you would. And wouldn't you try to use it as much productive? Wouldn't you try to be as much productive as you can? And wouldn't you try to use it use all the money so that you don't have to nothing will disappear, right? But the sad part is we only have 86,400 seconds in a day, and some people, well, most of the people take this time for granted. Most of the people let this time slide, and most of the people take this time for granted and let it disappear. What is this? What are people doing? The thing is, we must use our time wisely. We must be productive. We must do the things we really want to do in a day. That time would never come back. When a time is gone, it is gone forever. You can never ever, you cannot call yesterday and say, come back, I did not do that thing yesterday, I want to do it now. No, you cannot do that. That is literally impossible. That's why time is the most important thing in your life. Money? No. Your career? No. Money, career, everything, your job, your success, everything comes from if you use your time wisely and be productive for it. Use your time to learn new things. Use your time to do the things that you enjoy, and use your time to do the things that you can look back from the future and say, oh yeah, I did that. That's why I'm here today. Don't use your time like the time you spend partying with your friends and playing video games would never come back. It is gone, and it is gone forever. Don't use your time in such things that from the future you will look back and say, why did I do that? I wish I didn't do that. I wish I used my time to be more productive and learn new things. I wish I did that instead of doing this. Don't do such things that you would regret in the future. Do things that you will be proud of. Read books, learn new things. If you want to be successful, learn new things every single day. The thing is, and another point I want to add, don't give up. And believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. If you won't believe in yourself, no one can help you. Even time cannot help you. Like, most of the people give up because most of the people started doubting themselves because of they tripped. Most of the student stop chasing their dream because of one failed test, literally one failed test. And we all know failure is the first step to success. Think about it. Tomorrow is your finals, tomorrow is your final exam, and you are thinking that, God, I'm never gonna pass that exam. I never learned anything. If you think that, you are never ever gonna pass that because you started doubting on yourself. Most of the students, as we all know, life is a test and we have to pass this test, and it has some problems, it have trials. It is not easy. We have to sacrifice, we have to compromise, we have to stand up for some things. Life is a test that you need to pass. So if you start doubting yourself, you stop chasing your dreams. When you start doubting yourself, you stop chasing your dream, and that is the most regretful thing you would do. And the thing is, if you stop chasing your dreams, you will look back from the future and say, I could have done that, then I would be there instead of here. Don't do things that you will regret in the future. And we all know, doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Doubt, if you doubt on yourself, if you doubt on your abilities, that is the most hurtful things you are doing to yourself. You have to use all your energy to make your dreams and goals into reality. What is your goal? To become a doctor, to become a lawyer, to become an actor, to become a singer, to become a professor, a teacher, anything, an artist. You want to become anything, you have to believe in yourself first. Leave everyone's opinion. That is the thing I talk about in most of my videos, that leave what are people to you. If you started believing in someone else's opinion, believe me, they don't know who you are. You are the only person who knows who you are. And if you want to get the result you have never got before, you have to do the things you have never done before. One of the wealthiest man on this planet, Bill Gates, was once asked what superpower would he like to have. His answer shocked everyone. That man stated that he would like to have the ability to read books faster. Success is not about the money, the fame, or a big house. It's about being yourself. It's about being the best of yourself, being the best version of yourself. Your vision, you have to change your vision. You have to change your opinion about every single thing. If you use your time more wisely, if you don't sleep 12 to 13 hours a day and don't waste 13 to 14 hours a day in just sleeping, you will see the world. Suppose you spend 12 hours a day in a sleep. How many hours are left? 12. What are you gonna do in 12 hours? You have 24 hours for some reason. You have to consume it as much as you can. The amount of sleep that you need, an adult human being need, is 8 to 9 hours a day. but you are sleeping 12, 13 hours a day. What is this? You are just wasting some hours. You are just wasting a precious time of your life. And that Bill Gates answered that he would like to have the ability to read books faster. Why did he want the ability to read books faster? He want the ability to read books faster so that he can learn more things in less time. He want to consume time. He want to be productive in less time. He reads books. He completes one book in a week. I think he want to complete 2 books in a week, 3 books in a week. That's why he wanted the ability to read books faster. And that mindset, Bill Gates mindset, no, most of the people don't have that. Most of the people don't think about time. They just think about the present. Most of the people don't think about the future. You have to think about the future if you want to do something, if you want to be successful. And if you start learning new things and started to learn new things every single day, believe me, literally believe me, you will be successful. And you will say, I did that because I wanted to be here, and I am here because I did that. Mark these words: doubt will kill more dreams than failure ever will. So this is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Remember, doubt can kill more dreams. Failure is literally the first step to success. If you failed, just think, my success is near me. I will be successful in no time because I just failed. If you failed again, I just failed. Success is near me. If you get this thing in your mind, you will never be disappointed if you fail. Don't ever give up because of one failure, because of one failed test in your life. So this is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite part, and adios amigos, I am out.